Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, assistant teacher of mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today is the third class for annual term. Today our topic is 8.5 exercise. 8.5 exercise 1. That means in 8.5 exercise there are two exercises, 8.5 exercise 1 and 8.5 exercise 2. Today I will solve 8.5 exercise question number 4. Okay student, I hope you see and you have got the annual term syllabus. Okay student, look, and the lecture number is what? Lecture number is 3. Okay student, look student, question number 4, which is taken from your book, page number 94. Page number 94. You see, in question number 4, there are 12 number math. There are 12 maths. Okay student, that means there are 12 sub number. Among the 12 number, I have selected here the few maths for you. Question number 4. Reduce the following fractions to the lowest term. Student, this is very important for the upper class, for class 5, 6, 7. Okay, upper class. For upper class, this is very important. Okay, reduce the following fractions to the lowest term. At first, I will select one number. Look, 6 by 12. Now you have to reduce now. 6 by 12. Okay student, please student keep attention. You know what are the multiple of 6 or what are the factor of 12? What are the factor of 12 and what are the factor of 6? What are the factor of 6 and what are the factor of 12? You see, the factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And the factor of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay? You see, between 6 and 12, which is the common or most common factor? You see, here is 6 and here is 6. Okay, so we have to reduce both numerator and denominator by 6. Okay, divide 6 by 6, then we get 1, and divide 12 by 6, we get 2. That means our result is 1 by 2. Okay student, now I will solve question number 2. 3 by 21. 3 by 21. Same process. What are the common factor of 7? Look, 1 and 3. And what are the factor of 21? You know, 1, 3, 7, 21. Okay. Now between 3 and 21, which one is the common prime factor? Which one is the common prime factor? You see, 3. So we have to divide both numerator and denominator by 3. If we divide 3 by 3, then we get 1. If we divide 21 by 3, then we get what? 7. This is equal to what? 1 by 7. Okay student? Now question number 3. Look student, again look, question number 3, 9 by 36. 9 by 36. Same process. You see, what are the common factor, what are the factor of 9? You know, 1, 3, 9. And what are the factor of 36? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 18, 36. No need to proceed more. Look, now see which one is the common factor between 9 and 36. You see, here is 9 and here is 9. Okay? So we have to divide both numerator and denominator by 9. Okay, look, if we divide 9 by 9, then you get 1. If we divide 36 by 9, then you get what? 4. That means 1 by 4. Student, for reducing into the lowest term, this is very necessary to memorize the times table. Okay, student? Without memorizing the times table, you can't solve or can't the fraction into the lowest term. Okay, student? So this is your mandatory duty. Memorize the times table. Okay? Now, question number 4. 16 by 48. 16 by 48. Look, 16. What are the factor of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay? And what are the factor of 48? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Okay, student? There are another factor, but no need to proceed because already we have got the common factor between 16 and 18. Okay? 8 and 8. Okay? So we can divide both numerator and denominator by 8. Okay? If you want to proceed, okay, that's no problem. Again we proceed. 6, 8, then 12, then what? 16. Okay? And so. That means now see which one is the common prime between 16 and 48. You see which one? Obviously 16 and 16. Okay, so divide both numerator and the denominator by 16. 16 ones are 16 and 16 fours are divide 3 is equal to what? 1 by 3. We know 16 3s are what? 16 3s are 48. This is the answer 1 by 3. Now question number 7. 20 by 25. 20 by 25. Okay, student, in the previous way, I hope you understood how can we determine the factor. Okay. Look, 20 and 25. Which one is the common prime factor between 20 and 25? Obviously 5. Okay. Now divide 20 by 5, then you get what? 4. Similarly, divide 25 by 5, then you get 5. This is equal to what? 4 by 5. I repeat, look, between 20 and 25, 5 is the common prime. Sorry, 5 is the factor. Okay, 5 is the factor. That means 5 is common factor between 20 and 25. If you divide 20 by 5, then you get 4. If you divide 25 by 5, then you get 5. Okay, so our answer will be 4 by 5. Now see question number 11. 28 and 49. Which one is the common prime or common factor between 28 and 49? We can divide 28 by 7 because 7 fours are 28. Similarly, we can divide 49 by 7. Okay, divide now 28 by 7, then you get what? 4. Because 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28. Similarly, we have to divide 49 by 7. 7 7s are 49. This is equal to what? 4 by 7. Student, I repeat, divide between 20 and 49 by 7. If you divide 28 by 7, then you get 4. If you divide 49 by 7, then you get 7. Therefore, the result will be 4 by 7. This is the reduced form. Now question number 12. Now question number 12, you see 24 and 40. 24 and 40. Student, I will solve in another process. Look, you see 24, this is the even number. Similarly, 40 is the even number. Okay, you can select here, you divide by 2, both numerator and denominator. If you divide 24 by 2, then you get 12. If you divide 40 by 2, then you get 20. Okay. Similarly, if you divide 12 by 4, then you get 3. And if you divide 20 by 4, then you get 5. Okay, student. That means our result is what? 3 by 5. Student, look. In this process, you can also divide both numerator and denominator by 8 also. Okay? Because if you divide 24 by 8, then you get what? 3. Similarly, divide 40 by 8, then you get what? 5. So our answer will be what? 3 by 5. Okay, student? Student, but you see in the question of 12, at first I will divide 24 and 40 by 2, then you get what? 12, then 20. Then again I will divide 12 by 4, okay? Then we get 3 and 20, we divide 4, then we get 5. Then our result is 3 by 5. Similarly, in this process, result is 3 by 5. Student, in your capability, you will select your process. Okay, student? In your capability, you select your process. Student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.